In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom HubSpot properties. Whether you're looking to better manage your customer data or customize your HubSpot experience, creating custom properties is a straightforward process that'll help tailor the platform to suit your needs. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through every step. First things first, you'll want to log in to your HubSpot account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the main navigation bar at the top of the page. There, you'll see a settings icon that looks like a gear. Click on that icon, and it will take you to the settings page where all of your configuration magic happens. After you're on the settings page, look to the left sidebar. You'll see several options, but what you're specifically searching for is Properties, located under the Data Management section. Click on Properties, and this will lead you to a new set of options that'll help you work with your data more efficiently. Now, on the Properties page, once again, turn your attention to the left sidebar. This time, you'll want to find and click on Create Property. This is where the creation of your new custom property comes to life. So, go ahead and select that. Next, you need to determine the object type for which you're about to create the property. HubSpot caters to various object types like contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and even custom objects. Think about where exactly this property needs to be applied and choose the object type that makes the most sense for your situation. When you make this selection, a panel will open, allowing you to configure your new property. This is where you get into the nitty-gritty of setting up the property just the way you want it. It's a critical step, so take a moment to ensure everything looks good. Now, one crucial part of this configuration is selecting the field type for your data. Are you looking to input text, numbers, or perhaps choose from a drop-down menu? HubSpot offers a variety of field types like text, number, drop-down select, multiple checkboxes, and date picker. Additionally, there are options like radio select, number, or Boolean for specific data needs. Choose the one that best fits your data entry requirements. Finally, after setting everything up to your satisfaction, it's time to click either Create or Save. Doing this finalizes the creation of your new custom property, giving HubSpot a new dimension tailored to your specifications. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom property in HubSpot, enhancing your ability to manage and utilize customer data in a way that suits your unique business needs. With each new property, you're making HubSpot work better for you. Keep exploring all the ways to customize your platform, and you'll find the possibilities are nearly endless. Thank you for watching, and happy HubSpotting.